Hello, language learners. Have you ever found yourself memorizing a list of English words only to forget them the next day? What if I told you there's a better way to learn vocabulary that can make your English skills soar? Stick around, because in today's video we're going to explore the importance of learning vocabulary in sentences and how practical examples can transform your language learning experience. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why vocabulary is so crucial in language learning. Vocabulary is the building block of communication. Without words, we can't express our thoughts, feelings, or ideas. The more words you know, the better you can communicate. But it's not just about knowing words, it's about knowing how to use them effectively in context. So, what does it mean to learn vocabulary in context? It means understanding how words fit into sentences and how they interact with other words. For instance, the word run can mean different things depending on the context. In the sentence, I run every morning, it refers to the action of jogging. But in the engine runs smoothly, it means to operate. Learning vocabulary in context has several benefits. First, it helps you remember words better. When you see a word used in a sentence, you're more likely to remember it because you associate it with a specific situation. Second, it improves your understanding of how to use words correctly. You'll learn about collocations, which are words that often go together, like make a decision or take a break. Now let's look at some practical examples. Instead of just memorizing the word happy, let's use it in a sentence. For example, she felt happy when she received the good news. This sentence not only shows the meaning of happy, but also gives you a context in which to use it. A great way to reinforce your learning is to create your own sentences. Take a new word you've learned and write a sentence using it. For instance, if you learn the word challenge, you might say, learning a new language is a challenge, but it's worth it. This practice helps solidify your understanding and makes the word more memorable. Another effective method is to read and listen to English content. Books, articles, podcasts, and movies are fantastic resources. When you encounter new words, pay attention to how they're used in sentences. This exposure helps you understand their meanings and usage in different contexts. Remember, practice is key. Try to incorporate new vocabulary into your daily conversations or writing. The more you use the words you learn in context, the more natural they will become to you. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's part of the learning process. Thank you for joining me today on the TranslateEN channel. I hope this discussion on the importance of learning vocabulary in context inspires you to enhance your language skills. Remember, learning is a journey, and every word you master brings you closer to fluency. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Keep practicing, and I can't wait to see you in the next lesson.